Partnerships rarely ever work out. They are the exception, not the rule. I get the question all the time, Lucas, do you believe in partnerships? And the answer is unequivocally no. I do not believe in partnerships. I don't believe that we should enter partnerships. I don't believe that we should use other people's money to run our businesses. I don't believe that we should be putting ourselves in a situation where we could be legally tied to someone in one of those scenarios where maybe we don't see eye to eye. I have had a number of shops message and call me about encounters that they've had. And I will tell you, at the end of the day, partnerships rarely ever work out. There's a handful of them that turned out phenomenally for folks, but they are the exception, not the rule. And if you do have a partnership, you need to make sure that bad boy is documented as clearly and concisely as possible. Because if you don't, you will be the one who pays the price. And listen, fantastic human beings can turn into litigious jerks just because of a misunderstanding. If you don't want your friendships, your relationships to turn into that, one, don't have a partner, and two, make sure everything you say and do, if you do have a partner, is documented very clearly. Just my opinion, y'all. Y'all have a good one.